The temperature is stand with light. A tornado wind watch advisory have been issued for our area by the National Service. Here's our local Doppler radar.
A tornado warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for South Central Fulton, Southern Clayton, Southern Henry, Fayette, Northeastern Coweta, and Northeastern Spalding counties. At 6:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Time, Weather Service Doppler radar can indicate a tornado. This tornado was located in Gate, Tyrone, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Persons in Tyrone and northern Fayette County should move to a safe now. Other locations in the warning include, but aren't limited to, Peachtree City, Fayetteville, Kenwood, Inman, War, Bonanza, Lovejoy, Lakes Bivy, Atlanta Motor Speedway, Owalaga, Luella, McDonough, and Blacksville. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11:00 p.m. Eastern Time Wednesday evening for much of Georgia. If you see wind damage, large hail, or significant flooding, wait until after the storm has passed. National Weather Service toll 86666 or 466.
Thunderstorm warning has been issued for your area.
Many hail storms today, many rotating storms today. It's been a severe weather day. Tornado watch areas through one that's out east of Anniston, Alabama. Right, yellow indicates miles per hour. This is what
Watch and